Assalamu alaikum dear student. In the previous class we have discussed about the major part of the brain, that is forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain, and in the forebrain we discuss only the cerebrum. Today we discuss about the thalamus and the limbic system. First, coming toward the major division of the brain, that is forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Before going to explain the thalamus, the hypothalamus and the limbic system, first we coming toward the normal weight of the human brain. Weight. The average and normal weight of the human brain is 1500 grams. Means 1.5 kg, while the average and normal weight of the male human body is 1370 grams, means 1.37 kg gram per kg. While the normal weight of the female body is means 1.2 kg. Okay, now coming toward the major part of the forebrain, that is cerebrum. Second one, thalamus. While the third one is limbic system. Limbic system. The midbrain is the most reduced part in human body. ये reduced part है. While hindbrain consists of three subparts, that is cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. Okay, now coming toward the thalamus. We have already discussed cerebrum in the previous class, so today we discuss thalamus and the limbic system. So as shown in the diagram, that thalamus is wrapped are covered by the cerebrum. Thalamus, or simply we can say it is covered, or simply we can say wrapped by the cerebrum. The largest part of the human brain is forebrain. Then in the forebrain, the largest part is cerebrum. So the thalamus is covered by what? By the cerebrum. It receive sensory information from the skin, ear and eye, and send it to the cerebrum and limbic system. इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि thalamus received the sensory information from the ear, eye, and especially from the skin, and sent that information toward the cerebrum and the limbic system. All of you know about the cerebrum, that is largest part of the forebrain. So coming toward the limbic system. Okay, coming toward the limbic system. limbic system. First, coming toward the location of the limbic system, there too it is present in the brain. So it is present in the arc, present in the arc between the cerebellum and it is present in the cerebellum and the thalamus. Actually, simply we can say a combination of hypothalamus, amygdala, and hippocampus. Hippocampus is called limbic system. It concerned with the motivation, with the motion and motivation. Or simply we can say with the emotion. हम लिख दी emotion तो ये बेहतर होगा. Concerned with the emotion and motivation. It also concerned with the hunger, thirst, fear, tranquility, also concerned with the sexual responses. Okay, this was all about the limbic system. Now coming toward the hypothalamus, which is also a part of the limbic system. Hypothalamus. Okay, present. Hypothalamus is actually present beneath the thalamus. Present beneath the thalamus. हम देखें तो ये hypothalamus है. So it is present beneath the thalamus. Hypothalamus के नीचे gland is present that is known as pituitary gland, or also known as master gland. Means beneath the hypothalamus a gland is present. That gland is known as master gland. Why it is called master gland? Because it secretes and control all the gland of the body. इसको मास्टर ग्लैंड इसलिए कहा गया है कि खुद ही ये मैनी हार्मोन्स की सिक्रीशन करता है एंड आल्सो कंट्रोल ऑल ग्लैंड्स ऑफ द बॉडी, सो दैट व्हाई इट इज नोन एज मास्टर ग्लैंड. नाउ कमिंग टुवर्ड द मिड ब्रेन. अगर हम देखें तो ये हमारे पास है मिड ब्रेन. द मोस्ट reduced part of the human brain is midbrain. So simply we can say the midbrain send the information from the hindbrain to the forebrain, or simply we can say it is a relay center between the hindbrain. अगर हम देखें तो ये हमारे पास है hindbrain. This portion is known as hindbrain, while this portion is known as forebrain, while this is known as midbrain. So it is reduced part. So actually midbrain receive the information from the hindbrain and send it to the cerebrum, or simply we can say send it to the forebrain. So actually that why it is a relay center between the forebrain and the hindbrain. This was all about the forebrain and the midbrain. Inshallah, in the next class we will discuss the hindbrain. Okay, thank you.